Text, equal housing opportunity. The sun rises and reflects on a crystal clear pond. Snow-capped mountains covered in woodlands. A hot air balloon floats in the sky viewed from behind a tree. 3-story skinny townhomes with a park in between picket fences. Tennis courts viewed from the air. The Cottages at Erie Commons. Homes for rent. A sign reads Erie, Colorado on a brick tower. A sprawling residential complex with mountains in the background. The Cottages at Erie Commons. Brand new homes for rent in Erie, Colorado. Flowers and reeds decorate a walking path between the homes. House numbers. Single-family homes for rent. Individual porches on every home. Large patios. Fenced front yard. Where sanctuary meets sophistication. Maintenance-free. Pantry. Expansive closets. Luxury vinyl plank flooring. Convenience is at your doorstep. Direct access to 1- and 2-car garages. Full-size washer and dryer. High-efficiency appliances. Perfect place for you and your furry friends. Numerous pet stations. 4 minutes from off-leash pet park. Walking trail advancement property. A framed map turns into a window on a hot air balloon in the sky. A framed map turns into a window on hot air balloons. Yards surrounded by picket fences with small gardens. Sunlight shines in a window in a hall. A bedroom with decorative guitars mounted on the wall and a desk. An office with conjoined desks in either corner. Flying away from the cottages. An aerial view with distances to different locations. Boulder, 25 minutes recreation trail, 0. Community and Rec Center, 2 minutes. Erie Community Park, 2 minutes. Longmont, 20 minutes. Downtown Erie, 3 minutes. The Cottages community is highlighted from the aerial view with a recreational trail passing around it. Live in a vibrant masterpiece. Trails. Biking. Hiking. Enormous jagged boulders on a snow and tree-covered mountainside. Downtown Erie, 3 minutes away. Lively dining and shopping scene. Pastries on a plate covered in powdered sugar. Fall foliage interspersed throughout town. A green park. Erie Community Center and Park -2 minutes away. Library. Recreation center and pool. Pump track. Skate park. Basketball court and indoor playground. A sign reads Erie Commons on a brick pillar. Bike riders. A mural of hot air balloons on a metal wall. An awning for sweets ice cream and coffee shop. More shops on a main street. A porch rounds the corner of a house. Picnic tables in a yard. Sun shines over the gabled roof. Looking down on the rooftops. Flying over a pond with mountains on the horizon. Endless ways to make it your own. 5 floor plans to choose from. 2 and 3 bedroom floor plans. 2 and 3 story homes. The Cottages at Erie Commons. Homes for rent. Equal housing opportunity.